So what are the things we have discussed in the last class? Can you brief once? What are the different joins we have discussed? Can you please unmute yourself and you can tell? What are the other functions? What are the other Windows functions we have discussed? Hello.
Hello, Surya.
Yes.
Hello, good morning,
Good
Susie.
morning. Yeah, what we have discussed in the previous class.
And last classes,
Mm,
okay, we discuss about joins
mm.
and window functions
What are the different types of
and
joins?
set operators.
Okay. What are the different types
Joins,
of joins?
joins, okay. Inner join,
Mm,
left join, right join,
mm.
cross join, and full join.
Okay. So today we will see the join syntaxes. I have
Okay.
tables. Here there is like one online site I got, that is liveoraclesql.com. Here there are like already created tables. It's can practice easily. So I will ping this link in the group. Just go there and see. It would be easy like to practice on different scenarios. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
So I was taking employee table and department table, which was already created here. I will show what was the created tables. The schema here is Scott. So I was using Scott.emp. So these are the columns and the data: employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, and department. These are the columns on it. And in the department, department number, department name, and location was there. So you wanted to know the department name, which was not there in the employee table. In the employee table, only department number was there. So you wanted to join both the tables to get the department name as output if you want. So in such cases, we use generally join, because you are getting with the department number information you are getting in another table, and here you have only department number in the first table. So what you will do is, first we will see left join. For join, what is the syntax is, uh, you are joining two tables, right? For each table, you need to give a alias name. Okay. And in the columns, you need to write that alias name dot column name, alias table name dot column name you wanted to display. So I was I wanted to give for employee alias name as E, and for department table alias name as D. So I wanted to see only department number and department name, right? So the department number is there in table A. For table A, that is employee, and I was giving a alias name as E. So I wanted to print E dot department number, and department name was there in the department table. So I wanted to print that name. for the department table, I was giving alias D. So D dot department name. Then we will use from employee table. This first one. Scott.emp. Generally, if you in some servers, like you no need to give the schema, and you in some servers you need to give the schema. It depends while writing the queries. So here we need to give the schema. So I was giving the Scott, as I already said, Scott.emp. For that I was taking alias E, and I wanted to do a left join. So I will write left join to which table? Department table. Department D, on which column we wanted to join, that also we need to mention. We wanted to do a join on department number column. So on E dot department number on D dot department number. Department name. Sorry, it's D name, not department name, D name. For all the name what is there, you are getting all the records here. Okay. This is how we need for each department. What is the name if you wanted to fetch in the table? So totally 14 rows are there. So for each, it was displaying a record. Are you clear? Like how this is a generally join syntax for every join, it would be like this only. Are you clear on like how to write the syntax for a join? First, you need to write from which table, which columns you wanted to display, and with what name you are giving alias of the tables, you need to decide first. And then from first table you will write, and that alias name you will give, and whatever the join you wanted to do, you will give. And then you write the second table and alias name, and then on which columns you wanted to join, with respect to which columns you
Surya,
wanted to join to. Yes.
for this output, we have to, can we use the right join for the same output because
Yeah, you
the
can use
name
it.
is in department table.
Yeah, that's what is left join. So first we will start with
Left
inner
join
join.
means
First we will start with inner join. From here only, like everything
okay.
starts. So what are the common records? Everything would come here in the inner join. The
Okay.
common records between A and B. Okay. Left join, you will decide depending upon which join you want, is like from which table you wanted which output. Nothing to do with whether D name was there in the second table or in the first table. It doesn't depend on it.
Okay.
So here you will write whatever the
Okay.
columns you wanted to display. Then from what are the two tables you are joining, and then the two tables you are joining means first you will write that, and whatever the join you wanted to apply, that condition you will write here. Then the second table you can write here, and then on which column you wanted to join you need to write. This is the general pattern of syntax for the join that you need to understand. Then we can include like different conditions and different scenarios, and we can write it. I used a distinct. We can use a distinct. Then only like whatever, only some department numbers would come here.
Okay.
This is the inner join. We use left join. Remove the distinct. Left join. So first the common records will come, then all the records in the left table would take and give the output. Right join. For the operations, there was a column in the right table, but there was no output in the left table. So it was printing operations. I will just see here. So you are here having an operations. The department name 40 was there, but in the employee table there was no 40. I think so. That's why it was not giving that output. Yeah, there was no 40 at all. So when you are doing a left join, then 40 is not coming. We have seen that, right? See that 40 doesn't come. Only like with respect to left table, all the record comes in. But when you do the right join, the output changes. Here you are having an operation. So, but in the right table, but in the left table, nothing was there. So it was giving a null. So that's how it would be. But when you practice more, then only like you would get. I will just take another employee name also. I will take here. E dot E dot employee number. E dot salary. So you will get in this way. For operations, no record was there. Like when you are joining, then it will appear like this. You understood at least the concept, because like when you practice more and more, then only you will understand like what is the difference is coming. But the main thing is inner join
Yes.
is you will get the common records between the two tables. When you apply left join, first it performs a inner join. So it gives the records what you will get in when you perform inner join operation. Then it then it takes over the records which are left out in the left table when you do your left join. When you do a right join, first it performs a inner join, then it will After giving the inner join result, then it will add the leftover records which are there in the right table. When you do a full join, first it will perform inner join, then left join, then right join. So you will do full join. So it will gives out all the records like what is there in the uh, what we get between when we are doing inner join, left join, and right join. Like everything would be combined and it will give the result when you do a full join. So on this, I will be giving assignment on joins like different scenarios. So you will get that. But to get grip on joins, like forget this is a basic concept that you will be explaining when they ask like what is a join and what are the different types of joins and how it fetched out the records. But in actual scenario, you need to practice a lot to get like to print what output where you want and everything in the output table. I will just write one more join to including aggregate functions and joins and where condition. Like I will just give you a mix like how you will use I will write. So here one scenario I will explain with joins. So here you have, and the scenario is you need to get the output how much salary each department is paying, how much total salary each department is paying. So you need to get the output columns so that for each department, like how much total salary is paying to its employees. Can you tell? Can you try? Can you try and tell me?
How much total salary?
Each department wise, how much is the total salary they are paying to their employees? I want the output. You just
Okay,
tell
by
me.
using group
Yeah,
by
by using join, you tell me. I will write. I will write and I will correct it.
okay. Okay. Select
Hmm.
A, A dot department number,
Hmm.
comma, sum of salary, A dot sum of salary,
E dot.
sum of A dot
Hmm.
sal of A dot
Sum of E
A
dot
dot
salary.
sal.
Hmm.
Uh, okay. From EMP table,
Hmm.
EMP score dot EMP
Hmm.
E.
Hmm.
Um, like we need common records. Na? So
Yes.
inner join
Yes. Correct. Hmm.
score dot department D
Hmm.
on E dot department number equals to D dot department number.
Hmm.
Group by department number.
Which
E dot department number.
I want department name also. I said in the output.
Okay.
What I
In the
need to add
output
here.
we have to write. Yes. D dot D name. So here group by we have to add D dot D name group by here.
Yes, correct.
D dot D name.
This is the output I wanted. Okay. So what is the average salary? Generally, these questions only they will post to you in interview, like mainly from department and employee, like how to join both the things and how to get
So,
the sum of the salary. And each department wise how much salary they are paying. Okay.
Surya, can I remove group by E dot department number D dot D name is both are there na? Can I remove this E dot department number
You
here
can't remove.
in last line because
You need to group by
D
both.
dot
You
department.
need to group by both. That's what my understanding. If you remove one, you will get an error.
Okay.
I will just show you.
Okay.
See, that is because there is a row. So
Okay.
whatever the rows are here, those should be present
Okay.
in group by.
Group
Okay.
arrow. Okay.
Even though here you are grouping these things, and if you are removing this thing, then it's fine. Then it won't give error. Here I will just remove that. I think it won't give error to do this way. See. So the thumb rule is here whatever is present that should be there in group by. Okay. And if here the columns department number and D dot sorry, department number and department name is there, that should be definitely present in group by. But in group by, whatever are present need not present in the output. Understood the logic or
Sorry, can
confused?
you explain again? Yes.
Yeah. In group
Because
by,
both we have grouping na, so the department number and department name both
yes,
we are grouping.
we are
But
grouping
instead
in
of
group
using
by.
both,
In group
okay.
by, the basic logic is in group by whatever the columns you are giving, that need not
Mm,
definitely present in your output. But the columns
okay.
what you are printing in output, that needs to be definitely present in group by columns.
Okay.
Understood or confused?
Okay. Now got it.
Yeah. So whatever is you are giving in group by columns, that need not be compulsory present in the output
So whatever we
columns.
want to print, okay.
Okay. But when you are giving like here three columns like the employee or something, like those needs to be definitely present in
Okay.
group by. That is the
Group.
logic. Yeah. So in this way you need
Okay.
to do. Mm, what else we left in joins? Cartesian join or cross join. We'll just see what is output to print here. Won't it give an error? Whenever you are giving a cross join, you shouldn't give one column here because it will map automatically directly. The cross join concept you know, right? It will give a Cartesian product of the So each and everything it takes, and again it cross joins to the other table. So that's where you got like how many values? 50 values you got. You understood the concept of Cartesian join. There you need not give on column because it do a cross product of each and every column of this table to the other table. Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay, Surya.
So you shouldn't give a
Understood.
on plus here. Okay. So these are the basic concepts of joins and the basic syntaxes of joins. So you just say another scenario. I will just tell another scenario. You give me the syntax. I want to print the list of employees whose salary is greater than average salary of department. Got my question?
Okay.
I
Yes.
want to have
Whose salary is greater than average salary. Right.
hmm, yes, whose salary is greater than average salary of department. When you get department average salary, you need to use average aggregate function instead of sum. You have done an inner join, right? So
Okay.
yeah, in the
Okay.
there itself, you will write average salary to get the average salary. But here, what I need, I wanted to print the list of employees whose average, sorry, whose salary is greater than average salary of the department. Just try something. Without join, you can write this query. Select. You got my question or not?
Yes, yes, got it. But
You're trying.
for this we have
Hmm?
okay. For this we have to write two queries. First we
Yes.
have to get the one table.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yes.
Then the output we have to send to the
Yeah, your approach is
select
correct.
statement.
Yeah, your approach is
Uh,
correct. First, what we need to see is for getting the salary, you will write employee salary, you will write
yes.
query, and then you will use a
Okay.
greater than, and then you will
Yes.
in the another query you will write you will try to get the average salary of the department. Then you will get the print of output of employees. So the approach should be in that way. So whatever the approach you are thinking is correct.
Uh,
So whenever any scenario is given to you, you need to think the approach, like how we should proceed. There would be many ways. There would be like three four different ways for writing the
okay.
query. So but if you are getting the, if you know the basic syntaxes and you know the approach, then you are done. And in the interview also, like some syntaxes, like you might miss some syntax, but they won't see that. They will see your approach, how you are working on a particular scenario. So now
Okay.
you now how you are thinking, see, like you need to think for every approach in that way.
Okay.
So next we will see union and union all between the two tables.
Okay. Can you write the query for this?
Yes. You only tell. You told the approach now. Tell what we need to write.
Okay. First I will tell the inner query, then we will write the complete.
Okay.
Okay. First I need to get the uh, department wise sum of salaries.
Yes. For that, what we will do?
Okay. For that,
Some,
have
not
to
sum of salaries. You need to
give
get the
group by
average salary. You need to give the average salary. You need to get
average
the average.
salary.
Yes. So
Average
what was
salary.
that? What was the
Okay.
syntax for that?
E dot department number.
Hmm.
Okay. Comma average of E dot sal.
Hmm.
E dot sal from employee table
Hmm.
from
Hmm.
squad dot
Hmm.
AMP
Hmm.
E inner join.
Why are doing inner join like greater than you wanted, right? Here first you are writing the inner query. So you will be writing group by right for
Yes.
this to get department
Yes.
wise
Yes.
average
Yes. Group.
salary. Hmm.
Okay. Group by
Hmm.
group by table name.
Hmm.
Department number.
This would be your inner query.
Yes.
Then what you will get? The greater than you would be using here. Okay.
Yes.
So then you tell the other query.
Okay. Select in E dot E name comma E dot EMP number from employee salary also. E dot EMP number.
You already given one alias E, right? So for the outer, you need to give the
Yes.
other alias. So I will be using F.
Okay.
Okay. F
Okay.
dot employee
EMP
EMP number.
number.
mm, F dot
EMP name.
EMP name.
E name
mm, from.
and salary.
Okay. Yeah. You
E
can
dot
write the salary. F dot salary because this is other table. You are doing a join on the same table. It's like whatever not join, you are getting the output in the same table, right? So okay. mm. F dot sal from again
from
dot
table
dot emp
uh,
ef.
F
Okay, so this should be greater than where you
where
need to
salary greater than
where f dot
where
salary f dot salary
yes
greater than this one.
this
There are here you need to give only
to
average, I
many
guess.
value.
Yes. Select average salary from Scott.e. But this is approach. This is the approach only. Yes, where
Okay.
f dot salary is greater than
But here we have to check the department wise average salary.
Yeah, so
Here
this needs to
salary
be
means
definitely there. This needs to be definitely there.
um,
And from group by department number, this was working or not. Yes. So you are getting this is correct.
this is average salary. This one is right. But
Mm,
here we have to check the department name also for both. Because HR department from there only we have to check the
mm,
average salary. No?
yeah, that's what I was saying. Dot department number. What you are telling? Tell again. Here you wanted to view E dot. You are saying E dot.
F dot no. We have to print the department name also. For the same department name, we have to check the average salary.
Yes, on department name is equal to we need to write them actually. Where F dot salary. Where
If that salary is
where E
greater
dot
than I'm
where and also we need to use where E
showing.
dot
Uh,
F dot department number, but the same no we are using. Okay, we'll see F dot
yes.
department number is equal to uh, E dot department number.
Department name, Surya. Department name for the same
Name was not there.
departments.
Name was not there. No,
Okay,
we are doing on the same table.
okay. And